Hi, my name's Brooke Nind. I'm 17 and I live in California in the United States of America. Mycelium under the canopy. Under the canopy, we planted trees and mushrooms. The mushrooms sang, nutrients pooling around them, humus darkening in delight. Under the canopy, trees and mushrooms worked in tandem, pushing water through the dirt, underground transportation. Under the canopy, the mushrooms bore fruit, bore our burdens, bore everything. Under the canopy, we cut open our houses, found mushrooms, rolled them in our palms. Under the canopy, we dug a ditch, clawed into the earth and found mycelium, dipped our fingers into cleansed water. Under the canopy, we cried over oil spills, sent mushrooms to the shore to absorb the chemical pains of the thickened waters. Under the canopy, we dreamed of mushrooms, grown thick and fluffy like marshmallows. They latched onto our worries, decomposing them while we slept. Thank you.